A scare tonight for dog owners along the Connecticut shoreline. The dog flu is spreading and it has already made some dogs sick.
And News 8 Stephanie Simone live in our New Haven newsroom tonight with that story. Stephanie?
Darren, and there are about 20 cases that they know of so far, but the veterinarian we spoke to says this will most likely spread. Now, the dog flu was first diagnosed in 2005, but it's never been seen in this part of Connecticut before.
Cooper lets our camera know who's boss while his playmates chase the ball at Poochie Play.
We always take precautions. We bleach everything every day. So their kennels are bleached out, the floors are bleached.
They don't have a case here, but veterinarians say there's an outbreak of canine influenza, also known as H3N8.
This is only in dogs. It only affects dogs. It won't affect people.
Dr. Donald Mullen says there have been cases in 39 states, but it's the first time they've had a case on the state's shoreline. Between Guilford and Clinton, about 20 of his furry patients suffered from flu-like symptoms, runny nose, fever, and a cough. So far, they've had 2 confirmed cases, but it's contagious, and the pooches more at risk are
Dogs who socialize with other dogs, dogs who go to doggy daycare, dogs who go to the kennel.
He says it spreads through the air and through bodily fluids. Some could be gravely ill, others can carry it and won't show a sign. There is a vaccine. It takes about a month to kick in. Clover has it.
It's not painful. She gets lots of vaccines every year, so it's just like any other. It doesn't sting or anything, so she didn't mind.
Back at Poochie Play with camera hog Cooper. Some of his playmates have the vaccine, others don't, so Carol keeps a watchful eye.
We always look for signs. If anyone's coughing, they're removed immediately. It's just like kids in a daycare.
At this point, there have been no deaths occurring in the state connected to this flu, but nationwide, deaths have occurred in 1 to 5% of cases. That's according to research at Iowa State University. The veterinarian says if you are looking into that vaccine, make sure you contact your local veterinarian to make sure that it's good for your dog. They say the most at-risk dogs are those with already compromised immune syndromes. Live in the News 8 newsroom, Stephanie Simone, News 8.